ETRONIK Gym Bag for Women review. Welcome! Today we review the ETRONIK Gym Bag for Women. The ETRONIK Gym Bag is perfect for fitness enthusiasts and travelers. It measures 18.5 x 8.7 x 14.2 inches. It has built-in USB charging port, wet pocket, shoe compartment. I've used this bag for weeks. It's durable and stylish. The beige color suits any occasion. It's great for the gym, yoga, or weekend trips. Multiple pockets keep things organized. Padded straps add comfort. Pros: stylish, USB port, wet pocket, durable, comfortable straps. Cons: limited colors, needs a power bank. The ETRONIK Gym Bag is reliable and stylish. Check the link below to get yours. Thanks for watching.